Do you want to uncover the real Istanbul? Well, get ready for an insider's tour as my Turkish friend Saygın there in Istanbul shows you the best of both worlds, iconic landmarks and local hotspots in just 24 hours.
Istanbul is famous with its breakfast culture, and we call it serpme kahvaltı, spread Turkish breakfast. And here in Beşiktaş, you'll find a street. It is full of breakfast restaurants.
Beşiktaş is a lively neighborhood on European side of the city.
This is the breakfast Turkish people are eating every day. Potatoes, honey, jam, olives, cheese, and bread.
After breakfast, I'm heading to Galata Tower. To get there, I'm taking the F2 funicular from Kabataş to Taksim Square, then walking down to famous Istiklal Street to Galata Tower.
Galata Tower is one of the most important landmarks of Istanbul.
Entrance fee of the tower is $34. Next, we are walking down from Galata Tower to Karaköy, a vibrant district full of energy and charm.
This is Karaköy. It is a beautiful neighborhood. When you walk from Galata Tower, you will end up here. If you have such small time, I think Karaköy is a good place to spend your time.
Karaköy is famous for its street food, especially the delicious fish wraps. You can find many small street food restaurants here. A fish wrap typically costs around $5.
Balık ekmek, one of the best street food that you must taste in Istanbul. Karaköy, it is the place you should get it.
It's really good. Next, I'm taking a ferry across the Bosphorus from Karaköy to Üsküdar. Üsküdar is located on the Asian side of Istanbul. Yes, Istanbul is the only city in the world that spans two continents, Europe and Asia. The ferry ride costs around 34 Turkish lira, about $1. It's absolutely worth it, not just for convenience, but for stunning view of the city from the water. From Üsküdar, you can either take the ferry back to Eminönü or spend some time exploring the charming neighborhood if you have time. From Üsküdar, I'm taking the ferry back to Eminönü. But before we hop on, don't forget to buy a simit. A simit is just 50 cents.
Simit in Turkey, it is the most famous street food. You can find it in every street in Turkey, but in Istanbul, I think it is best way to eat it in the ferry as you are crossing the continents, European and Asia. And you can buy your Turkish tea in the ferry, and they are best couple to eat together. As I see the old town just outside, I'm eating my Turkish bagel.
My ferry arrives in Eminönü. Once there, I'll hop on the T1 tram to Sultanahmet. It is just a few stops anyway. If you prefer walking, it's about a 10-minute stroll. You'll find the most famous historical landmarks here.
So if you have only a day in Istanbul, this is, I think, the most important place that you should come. And you can see the Blue Mosque, Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia, it was church and turned to mosque, and it was converted to museum and now mosque again. It's so pretty.
Hagia Sophia, built in the year 537, is a powerful symbol of both Christian and Islamic history, and truly one of the world's architectural wonders. Just a quick note, the entrance fee to visit the mosque is about $28. After Hagia Sophia, we are heading to Blue Mosque.
Iconic Blue Mosque. It has 6 minarets. Most famous mosque to visit in Sultanahmet Area, and it is free of charge.
The Blue Mosque, officially known as the Sultanahmet Mosque, was built in the 1600s. It's called the Blue Mosque because of the beautiful Iznik tiles inside. It has 6 minarets and a grand central dome surrounded by smaller domes. From Sultanahmet, we are walking down to Eminönü. It takes about 10 minutes. When you are in Eminönü, be sure to explore the Egyptian Bazaar. This covered market dates back to the Ottoman Empire. It's called Egyptian Bazaar because back then, goods were brought from Egypt to be sold here. Keep walking upwards around 10 minutes and you will arrive Grand Bazaar.
Grand Bazaar. It's huge, almost 600 years old, and anything you want you'll find here. Almost, it's like a maze. Built in the 16th century, it's one of the oldest and largest covered market in the world. With over 4,000 shops, you can easily get lost there in the best way possible. After exploring the city, it's time for meal. I'll enjoy my dinner in Eminönü. Well, there are many types of kebab in Turkey, but this is my favorite. We call this Iskender, and we have bread under it, and they put a lot of butter on it, and we have yogurt, we have pepper and tomato, and this is bread. Look at this. I'm taking a layer up. You see the bread under it. It's amazing. I love that thing. If a place is making kebab, probably they have that as well. So definitely recommend it. After enjoying my meal in Eminönü, I am crossing the Galata Bridge to Karaköy. Here, I'll show you a local spot perfect for watching the sunset. Well, true hidden place in Istanbul. This is IBB Karaköy Park. Even local Turks don't know about it. Beautiful sunset over Golden Heart. It's so beautiful here, I like it. It's so peaceful here. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here on Turkey Travel Planner, we will keep showing you the best of Istanbul and Turkey. If you enjoyed this video, click on my video about 12 things to do in Istanbul to see more local suggestions.